Okay, we're gonna continue because we want to show you this amazing
Trams.
those trams.
These are cool because they can bend and they've got lots of wheels under.
Super cool, definitely. I mean, I was thinking we can keep them in here because they are long, and we got two of them.
Yeah, and they can attach together.
Oh, can they? Oh,
Yeah.
super cool.
Should we?
Yeah.
It's quite small. Now they're attached.
That's
So you
super
can
cool.
pull it from one way and it is.
I remember that from Switzerland, no?
I think I got it as a present.
It's a present. Wow. Father Christmas came to you. Super cool. These tracks. So the tracks, we're gonna keep them in here. Cool. What else do we have?
This.
Oh yeah, the electric.
But very loud.
Very loud. So let's see if we can keep them in here together without separation.
Should they go there?
Yeah, just about. No, I don't think it is gonna be a good idea to keep them together. But we can keep this in here. Oh, but there's no more space in there.
What about here?
No, because here we're gonna add something else. We can keep it in here. Oh, this one we can keep in front.
Okay.
Yes, super cool.
But then the trailer.
The trailer, yeah. So we know.
Or the tender.
Awesome.
And then
This one we can do the
this
same.
goes there.
There.
And then the tender trailer goes there.
Oh, what about if we keep it one up and one down? Because we keep it, for example, the back, the tenders.
Put these ones here.
Yes, we can keep it next to it. Awesome. Okay, let's try this one. 1 second. Let's try this ones. There is supports to see if they fit. I think they will fit more in 3 sets of 3.
Yeah.
Yes. So we got 3 different colors of those supports. Yes, so you need to separate them. They're super cool. They help to build up our railway.
Yeah.
As you can see in here, we have a railway down settled, but we don't have none of those. We have different ones on the railway. Awesome, we got all the supports back in place. Oh, I think maybe we can keep them like this so we not gonna take too much space with them. Oh yeah, this police car.
Oh, that's
Police
a nice
car, where are you going? Oh, here. Super cool. I'm thinking the construction cars we can also put in here.
Okay.
Yeah, we got
this
super cool truck from Brio.
And this
Oh.
tow truck.
You have a tow truck? I was about okay, tow truck.
All the work truck.
Yeah, all the work trucks so can go in there.
So this.
Yeah, the excavator.
Where was it?
We can keep it in here on this corner. Oh, the road blader. So can go there.
And then this.
Oh yeah, cement
Mixer, I think.
cement mixer. Okay. Oh yeah, the forklift, super cool.
And there's this.
Oh, the dump truck.
Yeah. And the mail truck.
Oh yeah, so it can be all together.
Also this.
Oh yeah, the another Brio construction truck. We can keep one in front of the other, so that we can have more space. Let's see. Oh, yeah, another tow truck. So basically, we're gonna keep it on this side of
And
the road.
this to clean the road.
To clean the road, yeah. So all the service,
Or is
basically.
it like something to cut crops?
Yeah, the weeds.
Or harvest?
Harvest, yeah. Oh, okay. This one. Where do you think we should keep this one? So these are basically the Brio. So I don't know exactly where's the
that
rest.
should go. Yeah, maybe we can put it there.
Maybe you can keep it in here. I'll feel. Okay. Yes. No. Here. Yes, and then this part is gonna go next to it. And this track is gonna go here. Cool. What else do we
And
have?
then we've got these, which are
Yes.
pretty cool. I
Super
think
cool.
this can go up here as well.
Absolutely, I like it. I like your choice. Okay, what else do we have? Oh yeah,
This.
those. What about those ones? Those.
Okay, they're work trains.
Yeah,
Where should they
we
go?
can keep it in there.
And
Okay.
we need the off strap with them.
They. Okay, what else do we have on the table?
Another work. The
Train
off
thing.
track.
Oh, cool. And then we have the trailers.
And
We can keep in here.
here's another. With gold. Instead of silver. And then it's got magnets so that we can carry it.
Oh, okay, the Nutella. What about Nutella?
Oh yeah.
We don't want to forget about Nutella. Yeah, I think that would make a good effect with Thomas
Yeah.
carrying Nutella.
So now
So now we can keep this one
carry
close to the lights.
next to the light.
Yeah, well we have our lights illuminator. Yeah, oh no, it doesn't fit. Maybe we have to take the Nutella
Doesn't
off.
matter.
So we remove the Nutella out of there and we keep it in there. Awesome, what
Then the
else?
smart tech.
The smart tech.
Where should these
I
go?
think we can keep it near the,
Or
to the
what
Brio.
about if we put it up here?
Yeah, also a good choice.
Okay.
Cool. Do we have another smart track?
Yeah.
Smart tech, no track. Okay, what else do we
Oh,
need?
this is cool.
Yeah,
All four.
all four of them. So we're
I
gonna keep
thought
them.
we only had two.
So we know
Up
now
here.
where they are when we need it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh wait. That is super cool collection. I like this way that was done. Good job, mate. Cool.
Okay.
Mr. White Shark.
So this can go there.
Yeah, awesome. A great choice.
Oh dear.
Oh no.
The person just fell out.
Yeah, what kind of drive are you?
Or him.
Okay.
We put that here.
Awesome.
And this, the last one.
Oh la 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 la. Oh, and then the white train.
Or what about the metro? Look how cool.
Which
it
one we
is.
gonna go first? White train or the
This
metro?
one.
Oh,
The
everyone wants to.
trailer.
Okay,
This, I think. Or these twins.
the twins. We are just going to have a look at the twins. Yeah, we got a twin engine.
Twins.
We got another one. We got in the black as well.
Do we?
Yeah, we got 3 of them.
Oh, this can go here.
Oh yeah, well, look, you put it in the perfect place. So 3 of them.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What do you think? Yeah, they're supposed to be similar. Okay, so the horse goes in there. Okay, oh yeah, we got like a racing, the police and the ambulance.
Yep.
They look so cute.
Yeah.
Super
But their
cool.
front is kind of weird.
It's different.
Yeah.
I would call
Oh,
it
it's
different.
interesting.
Very interesting. Okay.
But the
Oh.
police, another.
Oh, we got. Where shall we put this one? Just on top. Yeah, perfect spot.
Does it fit? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, even 2.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Okay, and now
Got another
Fire
police and
brigade
fire truck and police.
they're racing again.
But it doesn't have a windscreen.
Oh, hopefully not gonna be driving in the rain.
Neither do I.
Yeah. Okay, so what else do we have? Oh yeah, the white train. That was our
Where should
favorite.
this go?
Remember
I
then
think
when
we
we
could
start
put
doing
it
our
here.
video? Remember when we started doing our video? That was the fastest one that we had.
Yeah, that used to be our fastest and coolest.
Our first video that we did. Oh my god, that was long
one of
ago. And like, you see where baby, don't you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, the white shark was a baby shark. And the Mr. Dinosaur was a baby dinosaur. And me, Mr.
Old man.
Godzilla. I'm a Godzilla. Okay, well, we're gonna keep this one. I think this can be there. Okay? Whoa.
Here are what I call the random carriages because they're kind of a bit strange.
Yeah.
And they're not Brio.
I mean,
So this is Annie from Thomas. So I guess this could come here.
can you think you
Well,
can fit?
we
It's
can
just
just-
about squeezed, well squeezed. Yes. Okay. And this, cool.
Okay.
Where are we gonna put those?
I think we can put these all together because
Yeah.
they're all yellow.
Oh
Where
yeah.
should they go? Here?
No, there by the Brio, just next to the Brio.
Okay.
'Cause I think we can squeeze them on that corner. What do you think?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see if they're well squeezed. Okay, you managed.
These.
Fantastic. Oh, what else do we have? A tower.
2 towers.
2 towers, but I think they are too long, so we need to cut them in half. 2.5. Okay, we're gonna use them. Let's see. How many of them can we use? This will fit just about. Yeah. Oh, that was a big squeeze. And this one. Oh no, it's too short. Maybe we can add those two on top. Why? So we can have more space. Oh no, they don't fit like this. We need to take it out and make more space. Oh no.
What about if we did like this?
Oh, I'm glad you got 2 hands.
Oh, dear.
Oh dear. Dear.
Do
Okay,
we have more?
we have plenty of them.
So we can put about this much or more.
One more. We still can fit one more. Awesome.
We've also got a rock cliff.
Oh, those are awesome. Don't they look
also
good?
Another one which is quite different.
A good variation. And
another
this
bridge.
type. And the other one that we have in here that are still on our railway that we just built, and we still need to show you how it all works. So we're gonna fit those ones in here too. What else do we have?
Oh, this.
This. Oh, you want to show me the
The
traffic?
traffic light. This is my favorite because it's so cool. It covered like the green and then it shows red and then it covers the red and shows green. And this is the electric version.
I think that one is my favorite. Look, it's just changed automatically like a real traffic light.
And then becomes red.
And then becomes red. What about maybe we can fit the traffic lights in here? Yes. Awesome. You got a good view.
And another.
Let me just add those tubes or cubes. They are so cute that we need to keep them nicely visible so everyone can see them, especially when we are looking for the trains. Oh, what do you have in here? You want to fill up the tank of the train? I thought that was an electric train.
I think if you press the button it makes sound.
It
Well,
used
not
to.
anymore.
Yeah.
Well, I did it and it did.
Maybe fill it up, the tank. Oh, yeah. Maybe put some petrol on it. Maybe he's asking to put the petrol. Oh, it says it's full. But tank is full. Yeah, putting me back on the shelf, please. Putting me back on the shelf. Yes, take me. Oh, no. Oh, I never saw a train flying. Have you ever seen a flying train?
No.
The first time ever. Okay. Oh, yes.
Look, this quad bike
Super cool. Super cool.
that can just fit there.
Also,
2 little minis.
and this. Awesome. And
2 little minis.
I think they may be twins. What do you think? Mini twins car. Oh, I don't know where we're gonna fit them. We are almost running out of space. I wouldn't think that we could fill up all this shelf with all the trains.
But it filled up this whole table.
Yeah. Oh, look what we can do. We can add this in the back.
And we can put this inside.
Yeah. And then we're gonna take that back to the shelf. Where shall we fit this? Help me, help me, help me, help me. It's full. Help me. Take it. I don't want this one. You want? Oh, yeah, that used to be your
here.
favorite. Oh,
Yeah.
you see? I'm glad I gave back.
It's cool because we went on the Bluebell Railway and it has similar trains.
Really? I never been there. Was it good?
Yes.
Super fast?
No.
No! I would imagine like a TGV train, you know?
TGV.
TGV. Super fast, super comfortable, packed. Okay, we only got a few more things.
What about this caravan? And then in here we can fit a suitcase, but it doesn't close.
Oh no, I don't think so. That's the right one. It's from Brio. No, Brio, but from
Another company.
Lego Duplo Lego. I like that Duplo Lego. So, I'm trying to see where we're gonna put this. The caravan we just fitted, and so we got the deliver truck.
Delivery truck.
So I hope you gotta find a good spot for it. Oh, it's flying again. So you find some space. Maybe on top. Yes, perfect. Oh, that's too high.
Oh,
It's out of service.
why don't we just put it like this?
Not really.
And we've got a super boost car.
Is it your car?
Not mine.
Oh, that's supposed to be your car. And the airplane. Super cool. So basically we have it all settled now, all done. As you can see now the table is basically empty. That's the part of the boat, and the last one that used to be your favorite. So hope you enjoy watching our train collection. As you can see, we even also have a car, purple car, that we're gonna fit just right here.
What about the petrol station?
The petrol station. The petrol station, you choose. Where do you want to put the petrol station?
Maybe here.
Awesome, yeah, with the traffic light. Fantastic. That is our train collections. Hope you enjoy watching our video. Please subscribe and leave your comments if you can. If you're not, thumbs up. Thank you.